It might not look like much, but this 500,000-pound oil drilling rig is doing something few others in the world can. It's walking. I'm Ernie Scheider with Reuters, here in Westchester, Pennsylvania, at the headquarters of Schramm, Inc., a company building a drilling rig that's a step ahead of everything else. This rig can move from drill hole to drill hole on its own, be operated by remote control, and load pipe automatically. Instead of valves and dials, the control room has joysticks, appealing to a generation of workers raised on video games. The T500XD takes fewer people to operate and a lot less risk.
As opposed to some of the conventional rigs that still operate today with derrick men 70 feet in the air, this machine has nobody 70 feet in the air. In fact, the pipe handling is done from inside the cabin.
It's safer, smarter, and smaller. Schramm's T500XD ships in roughly half the amount of loads of a conventional rig, can assemble itself, and walk to the next well. If there's a problem, the rig can talk back, sending data from its more than 200 sensors to Schramm's headquarters, where errors can be diagnosed and fixed. Reuters got a tour of the T500XD, built entirely in Pennsylvania, and this one, already sold, is headed for Australia.
In Australia, we spend around $1 million a rig move. So if you move a rig 6 times a year, it's $6 million. But for a T500XD, I think we would be spending less than $500,000. So that's where we go. We cut the cost by half.
Schramm achieved international renown in 2010 when its drilling rig, nicknamed the Miracle, was the first to reach 33 Chilean copper miners trapped a half a mile underground for more than 2 months. With the T500XD, Schramm is hoping to make headlines yet again and move the drilling industry into the 21st century.